Hello and welcome to my video. Today I'll be discussing natural remedies for heartburn. Stick around to the end because you'll learn more cool stuff. Let's get started. There are many natural remedies for heartburn, and many not only relieve your symptoms, but also help prevent heartburn in the first place. Sufferers will find that what works for one person may not work well for another, but all it takes is a little trial and error on your part to find the ones that work best for you. Following are some natural, readily procured ingredients that have relieved the discomfort of heartburn for many people. Baking soda. Baking soda is a known antacid. Studies have shown that baking soda helps to neutralize stomach acid. Drink 1 teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in 8 ounces of water to immediately alleviate heartburn symptoms and acid reflux. Go bananas! Bananas are famous for being a natural antacid. Eat 1 to 2 fresh or dried bananas to restore healthy acid levels in the stomach. Chamomile tea. Stress appears to be strongly correlated to heartburn attacks. To help relieve stress, drink a cup of chamomile tea. The tea also helps to neutralize the acid content of your stomach. Ginger or ginger tea. One of the oldest natural remedies for heartburn is ginger. It also helps relieve nausea during an attack. Studies have shown that ginger helps regulate the production of stomach acids and gases while you digest, which reduces the amount of acids getting into your esophagus. Include ginger in your daily diet to prevent further heartburn attacks. Eating some ginger with your meal is enough to do the trick, but if you dislike the taste of ginger, you can drink it as a tea. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a popular heartburn remedy. Even though we think of vinegar as being quite acidic, apple cider vinegar has an alkalizing effect on our body. This makes it one of the better remedies that you can choose. The apple cider vinegar helps neutralize acids in the stomach, which prevents them from refluxing into the esophagus. Try a tablespoon in an 8-ounce glass of water prior to eating in order to avoid suffering from heartburn. Take the same dose as a remedy to relieve a heartburn attack. Some people may prefer to take the apple cider vinegar straight, although this method will definitely make you pucker up. You may have to experiment to find which method works best for you. Turmeric. Turmeric is a famous herb used in most curry recipes. Although it might be known as an Asian flavor, it also prevents acid buildup as well as stimulates digestion. Aloe vera juice. Making a juice out of aloe vera is both soothing to the stomach and is an effective remedy during heartburn attack. Slippery elm. Slippery elm contains substances that thicken the mucus lining of the stomach, thereby creating a barrier against stomach acid. Pour a few tablespoons of slippery elm extract into a glass of water. Drink this after having your meals and before going to bed at night. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow contains mucilage, which can coat and protect the mucous membrane. When you feel like your throat and chest are on fire, drink a cup of marshmallow solution. Simply mix 1 teaspoon of powdered marshmallow root into a cup of water and drink your way to relief. Although over-the-counter medications are convenient, home remedies offer safer preventative measures, and they can also save you money. Used properly, natural remedies can stop the pain and discomfort before they even begin. Hello again. If you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate a like. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all my new videos. If you'd like my free report, Alternative Medicines and Therapies, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.